I finally finished my little Dalek model, toy, whatever you want to call it. I'll demonstrate it now. I've made two of them. This is the one I just built in the build video. Plays a sound bite. There are 24 different sound bites in this one. Does a little animation of the arm and the guns. This eye stock is just posable. It's kind of loose. You could glue it into place if you don't like that. There are little LEDs that flash up here periodically. And there's also LEDs that play with the sound. I'm going to turn off some of these lights so it'll show up better. Got a lot of light to get anything to film. There are two different versions of it. One, you can build it with just this, not without these slats or the solar, I think they're supposed to be solar receivers or something like that, receiving power, or without them. They have a this part's different for each one. One of them has little indents where these can be glued in. What else I want to say? Oh, takes 3 AA batteries. It's got a Picaxe microcontroller, a Picaxe 14M2. It has a DY-SV17F MP3 player in it. I believe you can put 4 minutes of audio on it. I think I'm only using like 2. I got 24 sound bites in this one. What else? There are 2 LEDs in each one of these, little light things. One flashed by the Picaxe and one is controlled by the MP3 player. It was just the easiest way to do it. One of them is the one's controlled by the Picaxe or 3mm. The ones controlled by the MP3 player are 1206 surface mounts, so that's kind of a pain to build it that way. I'm making all the files available on Thingiverse and Printables and those usual places. There'll be a zip file also containing the files, the program files for the Picaxe, which is programmed in the basic programming language. It'll contain the easy EDA files that I designed the circuit board in. That's inside there. It has a custom circuit board. It'll also contain, or in that zip file will be the Gerber files if you wanted to try to order that board from PCBWay or a place like that. That's not how I did my board. I made it on an isolation or a 3018 CNC machine using isolation routing. That's not an easy thing to do, but here are earlier versions of the board. So it comes out looking like that. Big chunky traces. Not as pretty as when you will order online, from like PCBWay. What else I want to say? Assembled mostly with mechanical connections or with 3mm screws. A couple of 2mm screws are the exception. These are made with 3mm brass rods. If you didn't want to build all the electronics, I certainly understand that. It's not an easy thing to do. Let me turn some of these lights back on. See it better. You can just build it as a display model or even put just flashing LEDs in here and use the 5mm flashing LEDs would fit in here nicely. You can still use the battery compartment and the switch. Just do it that way. Make these posable. There's a part in there you can adjust and that will lock these down. So if you wanted to just build a display model, you can do it that way. Another feature I'm proud of is it has a proper battery door in it. It's just like any toy you would buy. I'll show that real fast. You can see there the batteries. If you take them out, you're going to end up, looks just like a battery compartment in a toy you would buy. These clips you can buy online. I think that's about all I wanted to show. I probably forgot a bunch of things. But like I say, the files are online if you want them. So thanks for watching.